for like communication department and industrial department, we had like combined class, which is like storytelling and puppetry class. It's an elective.
So adila vandu we got our staff Kumar Shaw, and it was like a really awesome experience, to be frank.
So in this course, it was taken in a different dimension, not like any other structured course.
In the overall class, the class was conducted for 3 days. He made sure to set a context between the first 2 days about telling about the real incidents and then scenarios which happens in real life.
Like storytelling evlo mukkiyamன்றது வந்து as a designers, it's really important to storytell and narrate for our own product.
We were given a task to take different characters, to make design different characters according to our own personal space.
We made puppets. We also got to know like real puppetry, like shadow puppetry la vandu the material that's used is like different and movable ah irukadhu, interactive ah irukadhu.
நம்ம வந்து ஒவ்வொரு வேர்ட்ஸுக்கும் எப்படி வந்து எமோஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம், எப்படி வந்து அதை வந்து லைக் மாடுலேஷன்ஸை கீப் பண்ணலாம், அந்த மாதிரி விஷயத்தெல்லாம் ஐ லேர்ன். அண்ட் யூஸிங் தேட் லைக் ஆன் ஸ்க்ரீனில் வந்து like without a face, giving an expressions with voice, that's like a great experience I had. So and also like using instruments, like he had a bunch of instruments and then we use all those instruments to give that effect.
And he had a lot of good amount of knowledge in different unique music instruments.
And it's a nice experience for me and I got to learn about a lot of things. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.